There it is. The good old double snap here at the bottom. I've said this before in other streams. I've been a very big fan of double snapping my back windows and my front windshields, and double snapping just the bottom, not the top. This is gonna make the bottom edge a little tighter and not the sides. So you don't want to snap the sides and you don't want to snap the corner, because you can start like trying to shrink this way and then you end up binding the film. And we're only gonna do the top like 2-3 inches, or the bottom 2-3 inches. We're not gonna run it all the way back. Just like that. Now what I noticed is that maybe I was rushing, maybe I wasn't shrinking enough, but I noticed that when I was doing my installs, I would start to get a finger, just one or two, nothing crazy, but just a little guy. And that one little guy was just, it's a pain in the butt to get into, right? Because the deck has like some sort of carpet felt liner thing like that. So if you try to put a heat gun on the inside, you're most likely gonna burn the deck on the inside. You burn it on the outside, sometimes you overheat it and you can actually burn the film on the inside. And then you gotta get down there with an auto bulldozer. I've been double snapping my bottoms because it's difficult to get heat down at the very bottom of a back window and also a front windshield. I don't snap the tops because if they're a little loosey-goosey and they need a little bit more heat, it's easy to get a heat gun in there and like that, you're done. It's not worth me double snapping the whole damn thing, the top and the bottom. But it's worth me double snapping the bottom so that I don't have to get in there and play around with it. I can almost guarantee you that once I lay this, that bottom edge will be perfect. I'm gonna guarantee you that. I'm gonna guarantee you that.